Hey, we are so glad that you're here. And we also understand what it's like to not like how you look and not like how you feel, but also feel like you have been on this roller coaster of ups and downs, just trying to get your weight exactly where it needs to be. Not just so you look better, but so you're healthier. And I completely understand. I've spent most of my life battling weight. I feel like I'm one of those people that can just look at food and gain weight while other people can just eat whatever they want. But I also know that I've tried literally everything. And what I've seemed to be able to accomplish was losing weight for a certain amount of time, but then within just a couple weeks to a few months afterwards, I was gaining it all right back. And so our goal is to try to help you start this journey and then complete it, to give you something that's sustainable, that's doable, that's realistic. And so we've spent the last couple years developing a program that is streamlined, that's customizable, and that can be set up with your lifestyle in mind and what's realistic for what you're able to do. As we walk through this process, we wanted to make sure that you had something that gave you direction, that gave you guidance, but can actually get as detailed as giving you daily and weekly recipes, can actually give you shopping lists so you know exactly what you need to buy to prepare the food that you need to eat. It also allows you to sync up and connect with all of your wearables, from Fitbits to Oura Rings to your Apple iWatch or whatever other type of fitness or health tracking system that you like to use. It also helps to break it down daily to where you know exactly what it's going to take each day. We can measure the metrics, we can walk you through the process, and we can have exchange and conversation as challenges and problems come up. We get it. This isn't something that you want to have to do and start over again, and that's why we have had you in mind as we've created this program. So to start this out, it's very simple. Just scroll down below, check out the different options as far as how we can start to move forward. And once you decide what's best for you, we then will do a nutritional assessment, which really helps us to walk through the process of picking and assembling the right type of meal plan and approach for you. As you start this process, you might be a little bit overwhelmed, but that's just to be expected. Anytime you make a lifestyle change, even though it may not be difficult, it's just not always that easy as well. We're here to help you. We're here to guide you. We want lasting results. And through this process, we've helped hundreds of patients lose hundreds of pounds. I remember as I started to walk through this process myself years ago and finally felt like I found a solution, I was able to then take it to my patients. I also was able to travel around the globe with some of the most elite athletes in the world. And my job was not only to keep them healthy, but also to make sure that their weight was maintained or to get to a certain weight if they were a fighter or a competitor with that type of a weight class that had to be matched. And what I found was that if we could walk through a simple process with consistency, if I could take someone who is only 10 to 15% body fat and get them down to 4 to 6% if they had to get that low, without a doubt, this process would work for just the average person like you and me. So let us help you walk through this process. Let us help you walk this journey for the last time, to simplify it, to make it doable, to make it sustainable for you so that you can look how you want to look, so you can feel how you want to feel, and most importantly, that you can get your health back and you can do the things that you are meant to do, that you need to do, that you're called to do, and that you enjoy to do. And especially be here for your family and your loved ones who depend on you so much. We get it. Life is stressful. It's overwhelming. It never stops. It's coming at you from every direction. So let us lock arms with you and help you to be successful in this process of optimizing your weight, getting to where you want to be, and living the life that you deserve. Be blessed.